In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Binance Authenticator to a new phone safely and without losing access to your account. Whether you're upgrading to a new device, replacing a broken phone, or just want to stay prepared, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and help you avoid any login issues. First, open your Binance app on your old phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside, go to your profile icon at the top of the screen and then tap on Security. This is where all your account protection settings live. So take your time and follow along carefully to avoid missing anything important. Next, look for the option labeled Binance Authenticator or Google Authenticator, depending on which one you're using. Tap on it and then select the option to remove or disable the authenticator from your old phone. You'll be asked to verify your identity using an SMS code, email code, or other security checks. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be clear and user-friendly, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you still have access to your registered email and phone number. Ensure your old phone has enough battery, and install the Authenticator app on your new phone in advance. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary delays. Once the Authenticator is removed, grab your new phone and open the Binance app again. Go back to the Security section and tap on Enable Authenticator. A QR code will appear on your screen. Now, open the Authenticator app on your new phone and use the scan feature to scan that QR code carefully. After that, the Authenticator app on your new phone will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back into the Binance app to confirm and bind the Authenticator to your new device. It's also a good idea to save your backup key in a safe place, just in case you ever need to recover access in the future. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your account secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to transfer your Binance Authenticator to a new phone easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be switching phones too. Why not make someone's day easier?